In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a product in Google Merchant Center. This process is straightforward but requires careful attention to ensure you're removing the product correctly and understanding the implications of visibility versus permanent deletion. Let's start by navigating to the Google Merchant Center. Open your browser and go to business.google.com. Once the page loads, you'll see the option to sign in at the upper right corner. Click on that and enter your credentials. Make sure you're using the account associated with your Google Merchant Center to avoid any confusion later on. Now that you're in, choose and click on the Merchant Center. On the left-hand side of the screen, look for the Products section. This is where all your listed products are displayed. Scroll through your inventory and identify the specific product you wish to remove. It's crucial to double check that you have selected the correct item to avoid misunderstandings or accidental removal of the wrong product. Once you've identified the product, look to the side and click the tick box next to the name of the product you want to delete. This action will highlight the product and you'll notice an additional menu appearing above. You now have a couple of options to consider. The first option is to reduce the product's visibility by clicking on Don't Show on Google. This is particularly useful if you want the product to remain in your database for potential future use, but do not want it to appear in public searches or listings at the moment. Once you select this, make sure to click on Apply to confirm this change. This method allows you to keep the product data without making it actively visible. However, if you're certain you need to remove the product permanently, you'll want to choose the second option. Click on Remove from Stores. You'll then be prompted to select the specific business account from which you want to remove the item. After making this selection, click Remove. This step is critical as it permanently deletes the product from your Google Merchant Center account. A confirmation will follow this action. Make sure you review and confirm your decision because this would be the last step to finalize the removal. After confirmation, your product will be permanently deleted from your account and it can't be undone. Remember, removing a product is a significant action, so double check everything to ensure accuracy. With that, you now know how to effectively and efficiently manage your inventory on the Google Merchant Center. Thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial.